So I can pretty much guarantee the interview question, what's your biggest weakness, will come up during your job interview. Don't make the mistake, like most candidates do, of saying you don't have any weaknesses, and certainly do not say your weakness is you are a perfectionist. Instead, give a weakness that is not a match for anything listed on the job description. So here's a great weakness you can give in response to that difficulty interview question. What's your biggest weakness? My biggest weakness is that I find it hard to say no to people. When people ask me for help, I automatically say yes, which is sometimes results in me taking on too many responsibilities. However, I'm aware of this weakness and trying to assess my capacity for additional work before saying yes. Number nine is to always say positive things about your former employer. This is important.